My husband dumped me for his Oyinbo girlfriend, which I don't even know. I have no idea that they are dating. Men, I don't know why men are like this. Some men do say women are not supporting them. Women are not supporting their career. They are not supporting their mission. But I'm a kind of woman that I want my husband to become a better person. But I don't even know that I can find myself in this situation that I am today. So advise me wisely as a woman. I know I have advised myself what I can do. But if you still have opinion after I've been narrate how it was being happened to you, if you have any other opinion as a woman, please advise me wisely. You know, I don't know what men really want. For me personally, I believe that I have most of qualities that man wants in a woman, but still yet, this man still do this thing to me. We were living in abroad, living good as happy family. Although we are not come the same time. This man is the one that brought me to abroad. After he being got his documents, he used his document to brought me to abroad, and which I appreciate because we already have one child in Africa before, in Nigeria precisely. So after bringing me here, the place we were living before, it was too small for the kid and and my husband. So we had to rent another apartment whereby the landlady stayed down, we stay up. 3-bedroom flats. I had another child for him again. So we now have 2 children. So and we had both agreed that we won't have any other child again for we to be able to take care of those children that we already had before. But now this is how the problem started. My husband have pregnant, the landlady, which is 52 years old. 52 years old woman like me. Make una see me compare me to Oyinbo, fake Oyinbo, not even real Oyinbo, fake one. Compare me to her. 52 years old woman that she have not been able to have a child before. I don't know that this woman have intention of even taking my husband from me. Look at my life abroad. This woman was so nice, she was so kind to my family, taking my children out, nice to us. As a landlady, I don't know that she have any other intention because I feel like this woman she's already old, she's old enough to be my mother. So I don't even thinking of being, she can be able to date my husband. I don't think of it. I saw a cleaning work, I was doing a cleaning in one small company. As the country that I reside is very tight, God still bless me to be able to be doing the cleaning work. My husband have work before, but he lose the work, so he was doing shoro. There's what they call in Italy shoro. So that's what he was doing. There's no really work in Italy. So my husband got a work before, but when the contract finished, they cannot be able to renew the contract, and there's no work for him. But through the cleaning I'm doing, we can be able to survive ourselves. And when he go to do the shoro, sometimes standing in front of supermarket in Italy, in where we reside near our house, sometimes you can be able to see 50 euro per day, 30 euro per day, 40 euro per day. So we gather it together, both the cleaning work I'm doing, we use it to manage ourselves. And I got this cleaning job through this our landlady, which she was so kind to me. But the problem now, she got pregnant for my husband, and which my husband confirmed me and be begging me that is a devil work. He don't even know how it happened. My God, I feel so disappointment in my mind that why could this man do this thing to me? I believe before that sex do hold a man, because there's no any other style, there's no any other thing that I don't use to satisfy this man on bed. But the problem now is not even all about the pregnancy again, because they have been begging me since 4 months now. Then I now agree that okay, since you say it's a devil work this time, because I don't know what to do. I can't even imagine losing my husband for an old woman. I now told him that we should leave the house, we should find another house. Since 4 months now, even I'll be able to search, to call, to be able to get another house, which one of my girlfriend wanted to help us, and she's already see one 3-bedroom flat for us in another area, which is not in the area that we live. But my husband said no, that this woman, is built enough wood, that if we park here now, no one will take care of her with the pregnant. Can you imagine? After breaking my heart, Then I now decided that I will take my children, since I'm the one paying for the house rent, because I can't rely on the surety on standing on the in front of supermarkets. Any day that I don't get money, how do we do it? So I decided to say, okay, the money that I'm seeing in the cleaning work will be managing to pay house rent, eat a little bit. But the problem now is that my husband said no, he will not leave the house. That I should try to understand him, that this woman is already old, who will help her with the pregnancy. So I decided, my girlfriend now told me that I should leave the house, go and rent the 3-bedroom. If I cannot be able to avoid 3-bedroom to pay, I should rent, maybe self-contained. I've advised myself, because I'm standing in the front of mirror, look myself crying a lot. But I just say I should use this my word, to tell women out there that sex doesn't keep men. I'm kind of woman that believe that if I give him different style, he will not go outside. And I swear that I should use it to advise some women as well. Anything that you will not take when you have not reached now, start complaining down, because I'm a kind of woman that I overlook something. Even though my husband go tonight, I don't care. When he begin telling me this woman matter, that she's okay, she's so nice, don't you see why she's amazing, don't you see why she look gorgeous as at her old age, I don't even look that something is going on between them. I don't check my husband's phone, I don't do anything. I'm a kind of woman that I don't care. But now see what happened to me. Maybe if I would have put eye down, I would have known that something is going on between them. I've advised myself about to move out of that house with my 2 children, because I cannot be able to stay that up while my landlady pregnant for my husband stay down. All the name that we rent house in her hand, and now she's pregnant for my husband. So I could not. So I've left them to God. Let God judge. But I'm advising women that they should not be like me, because I feel so disappointment. I feel so pain. And if you know that the step I'm about to take, you still have any other idea to share with me, please kindly drop it for me in the comment section, because I made up my mind that I will look for self-contained, take my children, because I cannot even imagine seeing myself every day, seeing that woman carrying my husband baby in her womb. There's no how I will be thinking of it, that old woman, my husband is trying to dump me for that old woman after all he has done to me, pregnant her. So this is how it goes. Please put eye down in your marriage, because I could not imagine myself even find myself in this kind of situation. If you have any other opinion than the one I plan to do, please you can as well drop it for me in the comment section. God bless you. Put eye down, because I don't really know what men want in a woman. I have a good qualities. Even people surrounding me know that I have a good character. Satisfy him on bed, pray for him, supporting him. So what does man really want in a woman? This being happened to one of my girlfriend in Italy. So I'm just here to share a story. And while I've been sharing her story, it pains me, that a good woman like that, such thing can happen to her. So it really pains me. If I'm even sharing the story crying, it's worth it. It's more than that. Like I said, this is how it narrated for me. This is how she said I should say it to people, and let them put her down, because she said she don't really know what men really want in a woman. Because even I personally know that there are good qualities that this lady have that I don't really have it. So I don't really know what men want to, whether na black people they want, whether na I don't know. They say they want a good woman that will support their dream, that will support their mission. But see here, some men, not all men, so they want a woman that can give them back to back on bed. Even the man said they use him mouth, they talk. And sometimes when we call this man, we say, my husband's wife no go there now. She no go. She's very good on bed, this and this. When I will be say, then when we were then in Africa, I know my girlfriend then. Oh, I cannot marry woman in Europe, I cannot marry woman. But this man is the one brought this lady to Italy. So this is not other person's story. Like this person near me, like our nose and mouth, they are close. That's how we do close. Abeg, put eye down like the lady said in your marriage, and always pray. And don't always be a kind of woman that will say, oh, I feel shop, I can eat ogun, I can eat anything to swear that my husband doesn't sleep outside. You forget. Some men are really polygamous in nature, because I don't know what some men want. We can't say all men, but some men. Put eye down and always pray, because I don't really know why marriages nowadays is now like this. When I even call Oyinbo, he say when the woman die now, the baby is going to inherit the property. Can you imagine? Men, go and double your work. Go and double your work. Do not only, because if you are jobless, sometimes if you don't have work, when your hand doing nothing, the devil, it is very easy for devil to use that kind of hand. So that is why you need to be careful as a man and double your work. If you know that you already have wife, you already have children, that kind of work you are doing does not reach you and the family to sustain. Abeg, go and find work, man. Don't dey always dey look, because I don't know. If you know what men really want in a woman, abeg drop it for us in the comment section. Let us know as a woman, so we will even know what to do this nowadays so-called marriage, because I don't know what men